Welcome back everyone. This is a bonus lecture for better understanding the rate of change and derivatives. If you understand this topic well, you can skip this lecture. So, let's start. If you draw tangent triangles like these, you can calculate the rate of change as well. You have to just make sure that triangle is with right angle. And if you divide this blue part of the triangle by this red part, you will get our formula. It doesn't matter how big the triangle is, you will get the same result. The next bonus slide is about taking step not only forward but also backward for the same unit. So, in order to calculate the rate of change at point 5, we can step back and forward for the same step amount. If step is 1, the delta S equals 36 subtract 16, which equals 20, and delta T equals 6 subtract 4, which equals 2. So, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. We can perform the same calculations again for steps of fewer sizes until reaching almost 0. We will see that as the step approaches 0, which actually means instantaneous rate of change, our rate of change stays the same. You can pause the video and discover the table on your own. In the previous lecture, we stepped only forward and were decreasing our step. In that case, delta t and the rate of change were approaching 0 and 10 correspondingly. But in this case, we stepped not only forward but also back. This technique helps us find the rate of change without needing to decrease our step, because the rate of change stays the same, as you can see in the table. That's all for now. See you in the next lecture.